Hi Virgo, tignan natin kung anong ganap sa person mo. Kung may person ka man, para po sa mga Virgo na may person or walang person or magkakaroon ng person, we will see. Pero po para sa mga Virgo na hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Pero sa mga Virgo makaka-resonate, alam niyo na po ang galawan. Maraming salamat po in advance. So, tignan po natin. Sa mga Virgo po na hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Baka energy nyo na yung masagap ko. So, Virgo, past, present, and future, maring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. So, tingnan natin kung anong ganap sa person mo. Mother. Lumabas sa'yo, father. Sa side naman ng partner mo, mother. Ano ba yan siya? Finances. Okay. And mother and father. Complete. But finances is the issue here. Tingnan natin. Biblical. Virgo, biblical, I don't know. But we will see kung sino man yung person mo. Merong religion na akong nakikita dito. At saka finances at saka biblical issue. We will see. Clarify the finances for Virgo's person. Virgo's person. Tingnan natin. Virgo's person. Malaking issue nitong partner mo, Brad. Tingnan natin. Clarify the finances for my Virgo's person. Finances. 9 of Wands. The Fool card. Temperance card. We'll see. Mother card. Tower card. Page of Pentacles and the Lovers. We'll see. Four of Cups. The Emperor card. And the Queen of Swords. Clarify ko mga ito. Ten of Swords. Nine of Pentacles. Okay, so we'll see. Strength card at the bottom of the deck together with the biblical. Virgo, sa mga Virgo na makaka-resonate, let me know. Okay, sa mga Virgo hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Pero ang energy nito is specific for Virgos that have some issues to their partner regarding religion, regarding family, or some sort, some kind. Anyway, okay. So, let's begin. First row, finances clarified by the Nine of Wands and the Fool card and the Temperance card. This person, ang person mo, Virgo, meron siyang trouble sa finances, okay. But he's trying he's a wounded warrior here, actually. Provider kasi yung partner mo. I don't know, Virgo, but he is the provider. Lalaki man o babae, ang partner mo. Okay. Basta Virgo, he or she is a provider in this family. Okay. Or maybe if you are married, Virgo, ang person mo is having a trouble with finances regarding sa pamilya niya, nanay niya or tatay niya. Kung wala man siyang nanay or tatay, baka yung kapatid niya is already a nanay, or maybe yung kapatid niya is already a tatay, something on that line. Okay, but Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, provider ang partner mo. Very wounded na siya. Okay, with the Nine of Pentacles. Nasa defensive mode na siya. Okay, so kung baga dati super duper galante, bigay dito, bigay doon, ngayon medyo guarded siya ng konti. Okay, but with the Fool card, he's gonna take a leap of faith regarding sa mga racket, but with the Temperance card, he's balancing his physical, mental, emotional, finances kind of thing. Kasi parang feeling ko magbe-breakdown na siya dito with the Nine of Pentacles to the Nine of Pentacles, I want. Nine of Wands to the Ten of Wands is already hit rock bottom. So, I think isang stick na lang, isang wands na lang bibigay na siya. Okay. So, but still, he's feeling full. He's feeling a full. Meron akong dalawang scenario nakikita ko dito. Or baka napipil niyang napakatanga niya naman or napaka-stupido naman niya. Okay, kasi he's a giver but he's not taking something in return. Okay. As I said, provider nga siya. Talaga. Yun ang role niya since birth. Okay. So, kung sino man yung person mo, he's a provider. Okay, and he's having a hard time when it regards to finances. But he's taking a leap of faith anyway, in any way, shape, or form kung saan siya makakakita ng racket or i-grab niya talaga. Temperance card, clarify ko pa nga, 3 of Swords. Oh my God. Knight of Cups. And the Devil card. Virgo, wait lang. May explanation ako dyan. Wait. So, Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, 3 of Swords, ang person mo is nag-invest siya sa maling tao. The grass isn't greener on the other side. Kasi ang Knight of Cups is all about romantic, creativity, charming, beauty, knight in shining armor, following the heart proposal. Okay. So, ang person mo, ewan ko sa mga Virgo dyan, if you are connecting with someone that proposed on someone before, I think yung finances niya is crumbling. Ngayon, pumasok siya sa sitwasyon na heartbroken siya, it's because it didn't go out into his way, okay, or in her way. Okay, nag-invest siya sa relationship before that, nag-invest siya sa relationship before or mag-i-invest siya sa relationship na it's not gonna work out. At alam niya yon na hindi mag-work out kasi meron siyang toxic side at meron din toxic side yung kung sino man yon siya. Okay, but nag-invest siya, finances is very involved here. Finances is involved, big time, ang dami niyang, kaya feeling niya tanga siya dito, napaka-stupido niya. Okay, kasi nag-invest siya sa person na wrong person. Okay, kung sino man yung person mo. Or, kung ikaw ay married na, Virgo, with the person that you're connecting with, nag-invest siya on something or makatumaya siya or hindi ko alam kung saan siya tumaya nang akala niya is mananalo siya or matitriple niya yon. No, it's not. It's a temptation kind of thing. Okay, natentasyonan siya kasi ang akala niya everything is in control, everything is in his control or in her control with the Temperance card. But the thing is, ang ending is heartbroken siya kasi nag-invest siya sa maling sitwasyon, person, or something. If you are Virgo that are married already or Virgo naka-live-in partner mo pa lang or something, ilagay na lang natin sa nagsugal siya. Okay? But if you are a Virgo that you know that this person is going to person mo before, ex mo, or person mo now, this person is thinking about what happened over and over and over again. Na parang word na I will never invest into the person that I'm not sure again. Gets mo ako? Provider ang person mo dito pero nalagas. Yun ang nagsimula ng poverty sa kanya dito. Hindi naman poverty pero yung finances niya is talagang wala nang natira. Okay, kasi nag-invest siya sa maling sitwasyon, nag-invest siya sa maling tao, baka feeling heartbroken siya, feeling stupid siya. Ngayon, guarded na siya with the 9 of Wands. Isang wands na lang, talagang bibigay na siya. Hit rock bottom na siya. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo, sa first row sa person mo. Kung ano man yung person mo, ano man ang status mo ngayon, married man, single man, married man, live-in man, boyfriend man, or something. This person invested into a wrong situation, wrong person, wrong. Everything is wrong. Okay. It didn't go in their way. So, ang finances nila is ang finances ng person mo is crumbling right now. But if you are a Virgo na alam mo ang partner mo is very abundant, hindi sa iyo ang reading na to. Okay? Maybe it will happen in the future kaya pigilan mo na siya ngayon pa lang. Okay? Kung meron siyang balak mag-gamble on something or baka meron siyang kino-communicate sa iyo na I need to invest on this thing or maybe I need to do that or I need to no, it's a no. Okay? Because there's a devil energy here. And it's gonna break his heart, okay, or her heart. So, you need to control it, Virgo. Past, present, and future. Maring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Or if this is the person that your ex person, or if this is an ex, he's not doing well. Okay. And you perceive this person as your person, but it's also your ex. But it's your person like before yan. So, it didn't work out. Kung ano man yung ininvestan niya, ano man yung pinagkagagawa niya regarding finances niya, na akala ng madami is meron siya, but he don't have or she don't have anything. As of now, kasi talo. Talo. Okay? Talo or matatalo or talagang heartbroken. Three of Swords and the Devil Garden with the Knight of Cups. Okay, so yun ang nakikita ko sa first rover ko sa person mo regarding finances. Dito tayo sa Mother, very interesting. Interesado ako dito. Mother, Tower card, and the Page of Pentacles. Yung nanay niya, kung meron pa man siyang nanay ngayon, sa mga Virgo na may nanay pa yung partner nila, there is unexpected exploring things here na kinukommunicate yung nanay niya sa kanya, or I think there is a brainwash thing here regarding sa lovers. Lovers is a decision making for me when it regards to love. I think involve yung nanay niya when it regards to decision making to choose a life partner. Okay. So, or meron siyang mentality na kung hindi man lang magiging similarity sa nanay ko and then goodbye. Yun ang mentality ng person mo. Kung hindi man lang niya makuha ang lasa ng luto ng nanay ko and then goodbye. Okay. Ang person mo, meron siyang mentality na dapat merong similarity sa nanay niya. Okay. Or yung nanay niya is number one na nagko-communicate sa kanya regarding sa love life niya, or maybe kino-communicate niya yung love life niya sa nanay niya, at saka yung nanay niya nagbibigay ng advice na you need to search about like this, dapat merong ganito, dapat stable, dapat yung maiintindihan ka. Mothers knows best, but sometimes mayroong mga desisyon ng nanay natin na magkaiba sa magiging experience natin in the future. Kung ano man yung mga na-experience nila before, ina-apply nila kasi sa atin, di ba? So, Virgo, ang person mo is very connected to his mother or to her mother. Or if your person is already passed away, ang person mo nagpasaway na yung nanay niya, edi hindi sa'yo ang reading na to, but merong female figure or mother figure, baka ate niya or kapatid niyang babae na nag-a-advise sa kanya or something in that line. Okay. Mother figure kind of thing, na isa sa mga nag-a-advise or nag-uudyok sa kanyang magdesisyon regarding sa relationship niya in the future and currently. Okay, so 10 of Swords to the 9 of Pentacles, meron ka ditong singleness. Yung person mo is nag-iisip na, anyway, may stab lang naman ako in the back. At saka dito sa finances stage na to, sa platong itong plato na to, finances, talagang dalang-dala na siya with the 10 of Swords. So, I'm not going to invest in anyone or anything. I'm good with myself. Okay. Yun ang mentality ng person mo, kung hindi man lang magiging katulad ng nanay ko, and then fine. Okay. If there's no reciprocation, there's no equal give and take, and then I'm gonna explore, search and search, like collect and then select kind of energy. Okay. Kasi feeling stabbed na siya in the back when it regards to supporting energy. Feeling stabbed in the back siya, talo siya. Feeling, ikaw ba? Kung halimbawa, meron kasing mga tao na pag tumaya tapos natalo, talagang forever nang hindi tataya. Okay, pero may mga tao naman na taya na kahit talo ng talo, taya pa rin ng taya. Pero this is different. Kasi ang alam ko, talagang binuhos niya dito yung ano niya umabot pa siguro siya sa punto na napagsanla-sanla niya pa pati sa sarili niya. I don't know. But sagaran to, pre. Kaya feeling sagad siya dito, feeling stab in the back siya dito. Kaya meron siyang mentality na maging single ako hanggang tumanda, I don't care. Like, you know what I mean? Kung hindi man lang kami magiging compatible, or hindi man lang magiging equal give and take, and then I'm gonna explore new. There's 8.8 or something billion people in this earth. Yan. Gets mo, ha? Virgo, yan ang mentality ng person mo. Pag hindi na-meet ang requirements niya, then, goodbye Philippines. Yun lang ang nasasabi ko. So, meron siyang sariling, yan ang mentality niya. Okay. Feeling, mentality, yan ang, ewan ko kung anong klaseng advice ang ina-advise sa kanya nitong mother figure. But, at saka based na rin sa experience niya, hindi mo rin siya masisisi. Okay. So, yan ang nakikita ko dito sa second row. With the third row here, Virgo, father figure. With the emperor card, like, kung meron pang tatay ang person mo, okay, Virgo. Sa nakikita ko dito, Four of Cups and the Emperor card. Meron siyang issue dito regarding sa kung wala ng tatay ang person mo, baka kuya niya or baka kapatid niyang lalaki na tatay na or something. Meron siyang issue dito with the Emperor card. Kinut off siya nito or ika-cut off. Okay. Four of Cups and the rejection card. Merong father figure dito na talagang mainit sa kanya or baka tatay mo to na ayaw sa kanya. Okay. So, ito baka nanay mo na ina-advisean siya or something if you are Virgo that you are in a relationship and you have a good connection with your person, maybe this is your mom, this is your father. Okay, if that is not the case, merong father figure dito na talagang block siya, feeling rejected at kasi merong tong mga command Emperor is meron siyang mga requirements. Okay, pag hindi mo na hit yun, cut off ka. Pag hindi mo na-submit yun in a very specific date, cut off ka. Or baka meron ditong, hindi ko alam kung kinut off niya ng person mo or ika-cut off ng father niya siya. Either way lang yan. Okay, so yun ang mentality ng person mo dito, either malakas kasi ang command ng emperor, lalo na father figure. In the position talaga to. Okay, pero may rejection dito. Meron siyang parang suwail na anak. Okay, or suwail na basta sinuway niya na energy dito. Knight of Swords. Queen of Pentacles. Seven of Cups. Confused energy. So, kung sino ka man, meron ditong father figure na mga commandments niya, is very confusing. Hindi alam ng person mo kung saan siya magsisimula actually. Okay. And baka yung father figure na to, kung sino man to sa kanya, piniperceive siya as a madiskarte person. Okay, with the Queen of Pentacles. Kahit na wala siyang finances dito, malakas ang tiwala ng tatay niya sa kanya or ng father figure na yan, kung sino man yan sa buhay niya or tatay mo yan na nag-a-advise sa kanya. Hindi man nagsasalita masyado, but malakas ang tiwala na with the Queen of Pentacles and the Seven of Cups na kaya ng person mong makarecover kung ano man yung nawala, kung ano man yung lost. Okay. Pero there's no talking here with there's a talk, but ang Knight of Swords kasi itong dalawang to ang Knight of Swords kasi is wala sa hulog. Pag na-sense ka ng Emperor na ang communication mo is wala sa hulog, cut off ka. Halimbawa, meron akong topic sa'yo, nagtatanong ako sa'yo, ang sagot mo sa akin is wala sa hulog, kakat off kita. Okay, pero malakas ang tiwala ko sa'yo na you can do anything, like rain or shine. Mataas ang paningin ko sa'yo, mataas ang tiwala ko sa'yo. Pero meron kang sinuway sa akin dito. Okay, so yung mga sagot mo sa akin is wala sa hulog, kaya kakat off kita. Hindi ko alam kung anong issue basta merong issue yung person mo sa father figure. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo, sa person mo. Regarding naman sa bottom of the deck, biblical, and the Strength card, I think malakas ang belief ng person mo sa religion nila. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung anong relihiyon, Katoliko, Muslim, Pentecostal, I don't know. But nagbe-based sila on tradition, nagbe-base sila ng nagbe-base siya sa ang tawag niyan, mga verses. Halimbawa sa Bible natin, merong verse sa Bible na hindi mo kailangan mag-worry kasi ang ibon nga napapakain ng Diyos. How much more ikaw na na ano ka sa image ng Diyos. Nagigets mo ako? Yung mga ganyan. But yung person mo ganun siya. Meron siyang side na ganun. Hindi ko alam kung nahalata mo yan or something. But there is something with your person that is basing on biblical or traditional kind of mentality. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. At saka meron siya ditong brainwasher. Okay, so, or maybe parents mo to, kung you are married already with the person, with your person. If you are stable, you are long-term in relationship, baka parents mo to. Kung wala na siyang parents, parents mo to. Kung meron pa siyang parents, parents niya to. Okay, and this is what is going on, okay, behind the scene na hindi ka aware or baka aware ka, baka sinishare niya sa'yo na meron siyang issue sa father figure niya kasi meron siyang sinuway or baka hindi siya agree sa mga commandments ng tatay niya but yung tatay niya is malakas ang paningin sa kanya, I mean mataas. And then yung nanay niya naman isa sa mga nagsusulsul ng regarding sa love life niya na to make a need to make a decision, don't repeat the situation like before na wala kang napala, anong ginawa mo, ganyan-ganyan, nag-invest ka, minahal mo, time, effort, and everything, pero walang nangyari, so don't do it again second time around kasi talagang walang mangyayari, okay? Kung wala naman siyang parents at hindi ito yung parents mo, maaring kapatid niya yan, okay, na already in the mother figure energy. Yun lang ang nakikita ko dito. So, tignan natin kung ano advice. Bahala ka na Virgo kung saan ka makaresonate dyan. I hope hindi ko kayo na-confuse. But we'll see what is the advice for my Virgo. Please give me 3 cards for the advice. Ay, okay. Sorry. Work through your fears, Virgo. Confidence is your key to success. And a new romantic cycle begins. Okay. If this person, you are, kung meron kayong separation ng person niya na yan, or maybe, piniperceive mo siya as a person mo kahit na wala na kayo. And you can feel it that you want to come back around or maybe destiny will tell. Time will tell. Okay, with the new romantic cycle begins. Okay, I think you are both on this on the on a different path right now. If you are on the separation, but if you are Virgo now, you are with this person. This is what happening behind the scene. There is a new romantic cycle begins for you or for this person. Okay, with this person, not for like with this person. Meron kang new romantic cycle begins at saka work through your fears. At saka confidence is your key to success. So, this is with your person, okay? So, Virgo, kung okay naman kayo ng partner mo, nag-iisip siya ng bagong idea para ma-ignite ang passion ng relationship niyo. Okay, so, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Kung ano man ang nangyari sa person mo, hindi ko alam kung saang part dyan. Basta yun ang nakikita ko. So, tingnan ko kung anong number, angel message number ng partner mo. Tingnan natin. Angel message ng partner ni Virgo. 9, 7, Jack, meron siyang J, Jack again, King. Grabe naman tong mga guardian angel niya. Talaga bagang, Jack again. Dami niyang guardian angel. May queen pa. Saan ka pa? 9, 2. Ang dami niyang tropa pips. 9, 2, 924. Google mo yung Virgo. 924 message para sa person. May angel message number. Tingnan mo kung anong ganap sa kanya dyan. 924. So, yes Virgo, sa mga Virgo na makaka-resonate, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe ka na rin po para connected tayo. Pero para sa mga Virgo na hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. So, yeah, this is what I have for you Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching and bye for now.